Hey guys, 10,000 mile oil changes are one of the easiest ways to slowly kill your engine in your car. Let me show you this Honda Accord. This car had one oil change a year done to it for a period of years and it destroyed the engine. You can see that their seals are leaking and oil is now dripping on the driveway. Let's talk about why this happens and what you can do to prevent this from happening to your car. Okay, so this is a 2009 Honda Accord. I actually bought this car and owned it when it had 30,000 miles on it. So I bought it, I drove it for a few years, and then I sold it to a relative. That relative owned it for 5, 6 years, and then they were going to sell it, and I bought it back. And when I bought it back, I realized it needed a lot of work. One of the things that they did when they did the maintenance on the car is they did a one oil change a year or ran the 20,000 mile oil with the extended filter, and they only changed their oil about once a year, if that, because they didn't drive much. And over time, it ate and destroyed the seals and gaskets in the engine to the point where now the engine is leaking oil. You can see up here at the top is a common leaking spot on this engine, but then underneath, if you look here, you can start to see a lot of oils accumulating and debris from the road and dust and dirt is getting stuck and caked onto this bottom of the engine because of the oil that's seeping and weeping out of the different areas on this engine where the seals and the gaskets have worn out to the point where oil is now making its way outside of the vehicle. And there's a few different things that have happened here. One of them is the oil level drops consistently to the point where after about 2,000 miles of driving, you need to add a quart of oil to this car because it's mostly leaking out, not necessarily burning, but it's leaking out. And I've noticed oil leaks and whatnot on the driveway and the road and the parking lot. If I park, there's a couple drops every morning or every time I move the car. So why does this happen? Let's talk about why not changing your oil regularly at shorter intervals starts to erode and deteriorate the inside of your engine to the point where oil starts leaking out and has basically ruins the car being able to park anywhere without dripping oil and ruining your driveway. So as oil is run through the engine, it starts to go through heat cycles and it breaks down. It has some contaminants from the engine start to get into it. Fuel dilution gets in there, and it starts to really erode. And not only does it not protect the engine from wear effectively after it's deteriorated out, but oil plays a really interesting part in keeping your engine seals and gaskets pliable and healthy and in the right form to do their job. And so if you don't maintain your oil and keep it fresh enough to keep those seals lubricated and conditioned well, those seals start to dry out, crack, and or break and start to leak. And that's what's happened to this engine. There are certain things you can do. They do make high mileage oil, and that has additives in it that are supposed to recondition and swell seals to the point where it won't necessarily leak. But I've been running out on this car just as a way to try to address this, and it doesn't fix everything. Once it's past the point where the oil is leaking and the seals have been breached by the oil, there's really no undoing it unless you're going to start to tear into the engine, start to replace seals. Now I have done some seal replacements on this car, the ones that are easy to access, but it's got 175,000 miles on it. I don't plan to keep it for much longer, so I'm not going to go in and do a ton of maintenance work on it to recondition this engine completely. I've done what I can that I think is reasonable enough to keep it under control. It was leaking much worse than this, so I changed some of the seals on it to get it where it's much more manageable. But you can still see it continues to leak and seep oil out very slowly. So I wanted to share this. I think it's very important. This is a great engine. It's a great car. My neighbor has a 2017 Honda Accord with the same engine in it that has close to 400,000 miles on it, and it's not leaking a drop of oil. He's maintained it well, and he's owned it for a long time. Okay. This car, because the previous owner did not maintain it the way it should have been, they really destroyed the engine. They killed it slowly to the point where now me and maybe the next owner is going to have to deal with weeping, seeping oil and topping off oil for the rest of the life of this car. Okay, so this is why you want to avoid extended long-term oil change intervals, and you want to keep it to a very reasonable 3,000 to 5,000 miles, or every 6 months. You've got to do miles and you've got to do time, because it's very important to keep that oil fresh and doing its job. Otherwise, this is what happens to an engine when you do those extended oil change intervals, and what I would say is neglecting the engine to maintain it the way it's supposed to be maintained to keep it running optimally. So I hope this helps. Post a comment down below if you've also had this happen to you. If you've seen a car that didn't have oil changes done frequently enough because of low mileage driving. A lot of elderly drivers have this problem where they're not driving enough, and it wears out, and they think they're keeping up with maintenance, but it's not. A lot of drivers who have short commutes face this problem, especially with the short trips where fuel dilution and different, lots of condensation in the engine because of the short trips and never really heating up fully. It affects engines even quicker. It deteriorates the oil. So if you've seen this in a vehicle, comment down below. If you have a way that you've addressed this besides replacing seals, if you've used something that's worked to address oil seeping and weeping out, not pouring out of a vehicle, but to the point where it's leaking and dripping on a driveway, post a comment down below and tell us what you've done to fix this and prevent this from getting worse in a vehicle. So the lesson to learn here is to change your oil frequently. I would recommend you change oil if you have a naturally aspirated car, no more than every 5,000 miles or 6 months. Change your oil. If you have a turbocharged vehicle, a turbocharged engine, I would replace it every 3,000 to 4,000 miles, maybe 5,000 miles if you're doing longer trips, but 3,000 to 5,000 miles would be the recommendation, or every 6 months. Don't go past that. Keep your oil fresh. Change your oil. It's a lot cheaper to change your oil than it is to start going into an engine, replacing seals. So long-term benefits of maintaining your oil and keeping a strict oil change interval: keep it short, keep your engine healthy, and your car will last a lot longer. So hope this helps. Until the next video, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.